Welcome, guys. It's August University. David Wynn here, and today I want to try something different. Go live for you guys here on the stream and on the channel. So got this nice little new setup here. Not sure if you guys like it or not. Still messing with it. You can see the box down below, August University. Wait, over here. Yeah. As you can see at the bottom, make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well to show some love for the channel. As you guys know, if you don't already know, once we get to 2K subscribers, we're doing a giveaway of crypto. When we got to 1K subscribers, we did a $100 USD crypto giveaway. This one might be bigger, so make sure you guys sign up, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment "I got in" down below. So yeah, what I want to talk about today is I'm actually going to show you guys here. Boom. There we go. So if you guys didn't hear, essentially, yeah, it should be working now. Okay, cool. Essentially, Bitcoin whales are accumulating BTC around 48K on-chain, data suggests. So big Coinbase outflows show that some big players are scooping up Bitcoin on dips below 50,000. So whales are buying in, guys. The big blue beasts in the industry are buying Bitcoin. So as you sell, as you get scared and sell your Bitcoin, these guys are buying it. So just keep that in mind, okay? When you get scared, when the streets are bloody, you know, and you sell and you have weak hands, these guys are ready to buy. If you guys didn't already know, companies like Tesla bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, okay? MicroStrategy continues to keep stocking up on Bitcoin, okay? And Michael Saylor had a recent talk to, I think it was over a few hundred businesses. It was in the hundreds of thousands. I don't know the exact amount of people, but he's talking to different industry leaders about what he's done and what he plans to do in the future with stocking up on Bitcoin. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you guys don't have Bitcoin yet, make sure you guys at least look at it. I'm not a financial advisor. I never give financial advice. This is just my opinion on what I like to do. But if you guys want to buy Bitcoin cryptocurrency in Canada, click in my description below. I have all my different locations where I buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. And I always have a bonus link for you guys as well on these platforms. If you guys are in the States, I also have different places where you can buy cryptocurrency in my description as well. Back to the news here. So whales are continuing to accumulate Bitcoin despite the price more than doubling so far in 2021, according to the latest data from CryptoQuant. This trend indicates that the confidence in Bitcoin is strengthening as the price is now attempting to stabilize above the $50,000 level. Guys, I remember when I was staring at it and it was under 20K Canadian, so about 15K, 16K US, and I was like, should I get a full bit? I do have some Bitcoin, but I was like, should I just buy more? I didn't do it. So guys, you know, make sure you guys get some, okay? I do have some Bitcoin. I'm heavily invested in Ethereum right now as well. So whales are continuing to accumulate Bitcoin despite the price more than doubling. This trend indicates that the confidence in Bitcoin is strengthening as the price is now attempting to stabilize above 50K level. Why whale confidence is important? During bull cycles, whales can take profit on their positions, especially if the futures market is highly overcrowded. Whales selling their holdings to rebalance their portfolios can cause massive price swings in the market, especially when accompanied by cascading liquidations. In this bull cycle, on-chain data shows that whales are buying Bitcoin rather than selling it, likely in anticipation of more upsides in the future. Whales accumulating BTC, they're making a lot of bear traps lately, but the price seems to recover the institutional buying level 48K. Looking at recent Coinbase outflows, most of the outflows that went to custody wallets were at 48K price. So this is huge, guys. This is huge because essentially more and more institutions and companies are seeing value in Bitcoin, seeing value in crypto, so they're putting money in. So the more that they want to have this as an asset to store on their balance sheets, that means that they're less likely to sell. So they're taking up more of the Bitcoin and not selling as often. So there's less chance of pump and dump situation when they're holding as a long-term asset. Okay, like I said, it's not financial advice or anything, but I do see Bitcoin going to high lanes by end of the year. I don't know exact pricing. Maybe we can get to 100K by end of the year. I see Ethereum moving and following Bitcoin, so I see it maybe going to 5K to 10K approximately. Who really knows, guys? It can go either way, but just know that if you don't have any Ethereum, any Bitcoin, or any altcoins, you need to get started, okay? Don't use your savings. Don't use your life savings. Sell the shirt off of your back, but you need to look at this stuff because it's vital. It's important, okay? There was another article I want to show you guys here. Netflix might be next Fortune 100 firm to buy Bitcoin, Tim Draper. So, guys, Tesla bought 1.5 million. Or sorry, not million, 1.5 billion, okay? Elon Musk, do you think Elon Musk is a smart guy, yes or no? I'm not sure if he's the second wealthiest or the first wealthiest person right now, but Elon knows what the heck he's doing, all right? So don't sleep on these opportunities. If the smartest people in the room, the smartest people out there are investing, you got to know that there's got to be something. There's got to be something, okay? But don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't invest what you're not willing to lose as well. So I'm going to put that away. So don't invest what you're not willing to lose, okay? It's funny. I've been seeing people getting all these different cryptocurrency exchange websites, not even exchanges, but their websites. They're like make money online websites. And I started in crypto back in 2017 during the crypto boom, okay? And I did get wrecked because I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I was putting money in these multi-level platforms where you can make all kinds of different yield and interest on if you put money in there and hold. And this is not staking; it's a completely different thing. So I just heard that Bureaucrats went under, or not went under, but they stopped withdrawals. So that's a big sign that this Bureaucrats thing it's freaking, they're going to leave. They're going to take your money and leave. So don't invest in these high risk investments. Just buy and hold. Stay with the fundamentals. Buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy projects that you enjoy. Like Celsius is the big one that I'm utilizing to make money on my Bitcoin. So I take my Bitcoin, my Ethereum, and some other cryptocurrencies, and I store it in the Celsius and make interest on my yield, okay? So that's a great way to make some passive income as well and earn more assets with your portfolio, okay? Now I also want to, let's see here. Let's go over to CoinGecko here. So this is the charts for today. Bitcoin, 7 days ago, we were looking at a 6% gain. So, not too long ago, we were looking in the negative, right? So we're starting to move back in the positive direction. It's pretty much green. The only thing down is the stable coins, like USDC is down a little bit. Cardano, 30% over the last 7 days, okay? I have some Cardano. Binance coin, that's been growing. So if you guys didn't know that Binance has its own blockchain and has its own coin that you can actually build on. You can actually build software on their chain, okay, on their system. So Binance actually has its own coin, BNB, so it has a higher use case now that you can actually build dApps and projects on the Binance, okay? So that's huge for Binance lately. Crypto.com, where's Crypto.com here? is following in those footsteps as well. Crypto.com not so good this week, but had a more recent. Let's go into it here. Yeah, Crypto.com had a more recent boom. Just over 14 days ago, went up 82%. Over 30 days, went 147%. Because they also mentioned that they're going to have, their platform is going to be able to build dApps and things and software and other cryptocurrencies and things like that on their blockchain as well. So, that seems to be the new trend. Right? People building on different alternatives to Ethereum. Okay. Now I'm still long Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. Stick with the fundamentals, and I think ETH has later on in the year, I think that ETH is going to start catching up to Bitcoin. So that's just me. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm holding a lot of my portfolio is Ethereum, and next in line is actually Bitcoin. So I may consider, once Ethereum does catch up, if it catches up, I may take some profits there and flip it into Bitcoin, so I can have as much. The end goal for me is to have as much Bitcoin allocated as possible, have as much Bitcoin as possible. Okay. So like I said, don't invest in those high yield scammy things when it comes to cryptocurrency. Just invest in the fundamentals, buy on an exchange and move it to a hardware wallet, like a ledger, or store it in a place that you trust. I really trust a company called Celsius, which I'll include a link down to Celsius in the comment section and the description below. But Celsius did fall a couple spots here, but I'm still super long and bullish on Celsius. So Cell token is has a strong use case, right? So Celsius is a place, a business. Alex Mashinsky runs Celsius, and they're actually basically the future of banking, where you can deposit cryptocurrency as an asset and earn high yield, high levels of interest, which, just hodling and holding over the last, since October, I was able to accumulate quite a bit of interest on my investments and not be tempted to have weak hands and sell, which is one of the other benefits of Celsius. It's not just, okay, I'm going to take it out, sell it, and get rid of all my coins because I'm scared, right? So Celsius is big for me because you can earn interest while you're holding. So if you look in the last year, 3,587% gain on Celsius, on Cell token. So the use case is heavy, and every week they pay out high levels of interest on your crypto assets. And also they buy back their Cell token on the market, so they don't get a discounted price or anything. They buy back the tokens. Okay, so that eventually will add more value as the coin goes up. I foresee Cell by end of year most likely continuing to rise. I think it can easily get to $15 to $20. That's just me. You don't have to listen to me. I'm just some guy on the internet on August University talking, but that's just my opinion. Okay. There's a couple places to buy Cell token right now. One is Uniswap. That's traditionally where people get it, but you can also buy it on, I was looking at these different exchanges here, and FTX is one of my new favorite exchanges, where you can buy cryptocurrency, you can buy Cell token directly, and you can also actually buy stocks. So you can buy not traditional stocks, but the tokenized stocks. You can buy Tesla, you can buy Apple, but you can buy, it's almost like fractional shares. You can buy a piece of that on FTX. So if I click on FTX, you guys can kind of, hold on a sec. I'll just go here, FTX, okay, boom. So this is FTX's website, and this is the wallet side. So let's go home. So this is FTX, guys, and I really like it because it's multi-purpose. Okay, so there's all kinds of different ones like Bybit and Femex and all these things. But I like FTX because it allows you to buy crypto, right? 1% of all net fees will be donated to the world's most efficient charity. Okay, that's cool. Some new listings here. Boom, exclusive offering. Digital assets on FTX. So you can buy Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Google, MicroStrategy, all that stuff on FTX. They also have their own coin, which who knows, maybe they'll build projects on, allow projects on their blockchain eventually. Apparently everyone's doing it. But you know, FTX's FTT coin is doing pretty well as well. You can also do spot trading and margin trading. I'm still not huge into margin trading yet, but I am learning. I am learning from the best when it comes to that. So once I start figuring the leverage trading out a little bit, I will do some tutorials and I'll do some trainings with you guys on my channel here. But I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm not going to BS you guys. If I don't do leverage trading, I don't do leverage trading. I'm real with you guys. I'm raw with you guys, okay? I always will be. But FTX allows you to, that was cool, bro. Thanks. Thanks, Allah. Appreciate you. But yeah, you can do futures, you can do spot trading, you can do stocks, you can do leverage coins, all that stuff. And then you can trade literally, look, new stocks there, AMC. So if you guys are fiends, for AMC or GameStop stocks, guys, you can do that. Look, if you're a fiend for GameStop, look at this. You can buy GameStop right on here. So you can take a little bit of your crypto portfolio, take profit, and then get into stock trading right here, right on the exchange, all in one. Isn't that crazy? So if you guys are interested in FTX, make sure that you click on the link in my description down below so you guys can get into FTX, okay? It's just gonna save you a little bit of money on your commission fees, okay? Because everyone has to make their money, so they charge a little bit of commission fees here. But you can trade GameStop. Let's see how GameStop's doing. Not too bad, 115. Look at this thing. Are you guys willing to trade GameStop? See, a lot of people made a lot of money on GameStop, guys, because of all that's going on, right? Right? But you can also get super wrecked. If you buy in at the wrong time. So you gotta have time on your hand. You gotta be in front of your computer watching the charts. Otherwise you can get wrecked, okay? So check it out. GameStop's just all over the place, guys. All over. So if you got in, let's say here, 110, and you know how to get out, you can make your $5 gain here. You know, say you bought, 10 shares. You can make some money. You can make a lot of money. You can also lose a lot of money. So I'm staying away from GameStop and AMC right now. Future, I don't know, but I'm staying out for now. So the markets themselves, you can also, there's so many different cryptocurrency pairs. Let's see here. Yeah, there's just so much. There's so many options. Look, right? Ethereum, you got Bitcoin, you got Dogecoin, BNB, you got Sushi Swap, there's so many different options here, guys. Matic, I got my Matic here. Yeah, if you want a lot of options here, I like FTX personally myself, okay? I personally like it myself. You guys use what you want to use. I'll use what I want to use. Now, if you guys want some help trading, like I like to watch the markets a lot, whether you call it day trading or just, sometimes I just watch them. Not sound stalkerish, but I just like to watch the markets to see what's happening. So let's check out Ethereum, okay? I'm gonna share the screen, and oh, you guys already see it. Okay. So Ethereum, sorry, I'm new to this live stream stuff, guys. So bear with me. So this is Ethereum right now, right? So you guys see this algorithm here? the software I'm using. It's called, I like to show you guys cool stuff. So I invested in this program not too long ago, and it's called Lux Algo. And I have 2 triggers on right now, so it's a little insane. But you see the buy signal here? The buy signals here? That means there was upwards momentum, and it was time to get in. And when it tells you to sell is when it's time, it's going to go downward. So you can take, it's a good opportunity to take profit here, okay? This is called Lux Algo, okay? And you can adjust this algorithm to be as sensitive as you want. So I like to see like trade in the 5-minute, the 10-minute, the 15-minute. But if you increase the sensitivity to a higher number, you can trade more like on that 30-minute, 45-minute long-term setting, okay? But I personally love this thing. It tells you when to get in and get out. I can't say it's perfect, but I can say it's definitely helped my trading game and just to analyze data, right? You know, obviously I'm following a bunch of different things. So let's just pull up, you know, game stuff for fun, right? So GameStop, you could have bought in here. Told you to buy at $87, rode that wave, and sold at 118. All right. Look at this craziness of GameStop. This thing, GameStop scares me, guys. Look at this thing. Forget the 15-minute. Let's go to 45-minute. Right. Look at this 45-minute chart. Actually, I'm going to do 30 minutes. My settings are kind of focused on short term, right? So what I told you, so it's a little out of whack because of my settings. I can adjust it to be not as sensitive as well. Let's say move it up to 20, right? And that adjusts some of the settings as well. There you go. Right, this one, this signal, it's kind of microscopic. This is the reason why this is hard to predict, guys, is because people are on literally Reddit telling people to buy in. So it's just one big pre-market push. So that's why that one's hard to track. But for the most part, buy signal there, right? Buy signal there, buy signal there, right? So for the most part, it's pretty accurate, right? And then you can go to the 15-minute. And then I would, if you're going to do a 15-minute, I would adjust the settings to be more sensitive. Maybe at 11, right? See that? There you go. See, as it moves up, buy signal, and then as you reach the top, sell. So you got to adjust. See, there you go, sell at the top there. So you got to adjust your settings to the way you trade, but it works pretty amazing. So I use it for literally everything, all my stocks and all my crypto that I use. I like to utilize this this platform. Okay, guys, if you guys are interested in the Lux Algo software, I will see here. Okay, apparently you guys didn't see. Apparently you guys didn't see that the whole time, so bear with me here. I'll read you that. That's embarrassing. Oh well. Like I said, I'm learning this new stuff. So appreciate you guys. Share. GME. Make sure you guys can see it. Okay. back in order here. All right, like I was saying, guys, like I was saying, Lux Algo, okay? So if you open up any stock or any crypto, okay, you can see the buy and sell signals with Lux Algo, okay? So there's an algorithm here. Now that I know that you guys can actually see this, hit settings, and you can adjust sensitivity levels based on if it's a 15-minute window you're looking at, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 30 minutes. The shorter amount of time you want to lower that sensitivity. Longer term, you want to raise that sensitivity level, okay? And you can adjust it the way you want for the buy and sell signals. But you can see there, as things were trending upwards, it told you to buy. As things were settling down, it told you to sell, right? So this will work on any chart, really. Look at Dogecoin, right? Look at Doge. So buy here, sell there. Buy here, right? Sell, buy, sell. And I have 2 algorithms on. You should only have 1, really, but I like to see everything. I like to see everything. So it might look confusing to you guys. That's just me. Sorry, yeah, you guys couldn't see my screen earlier. I'm just figuring this stuff out, guys. I'm figuring this stuff out, this live stream stuff. All right, appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. So, yeah, I'm going to try to do more live streams like this more often as well. And, add value to you guys as you figure out this whole financial freedom game, just like myself. Like I said, if you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I hit 2K subscribers as well. And if you guys are interested in any of the exchanges or Lux Algo, the software I mentioned, links are going to be down in the description below. But yeah, hit subscribe so that once I hit 2K, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. At 1K, I did a $100 USD in crypto giveaway. And I gave away $100 in Bitcoin. So make sure you guys are around for that giveaway when I hit 2K subscribers, all right? So I just wanted to do a quick breakdown of what's going on with Bitcoin, crypto, and some tools for you guys to utilize for you guys to start investing in the crypto if you want to, okay? Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not your mom. I'm not your dad, like always. And until next time, this is David Wynn, August University. I'll see you guys in the next